Everyone asks, when will Bitcoin hit $1 million? But almost nobody asks, how? It won't happen just because of a chart. It won't happen just because of a halving. It will happen because of one boring word that is suddenly becoming the most bullish signal in history: regulation. In 2025, the game changed forever. The US passed the Genius Act. Europe fully enforced MiCA. And now, looking at 2026, we are seeing global tax frameworks that look, surprisingly, like stock market rules. Why does this matter? Because trillions of dollars from pension funds and sovereign nations cannot touch Bitcoin until the laws are clear. Now, the laws are here. The floodgates are opening. Today, on Crypto Market Views 24, we explain how the legal shifts of 2025 and 2026 are the final rocket fuel Bitcoin needs to reach $1 million. Let's rewind to the massive win of 2025. The United States officially passed the Genius Act and moved the Clarity Act forward. For years, the U.S. government tried to choke crypto, but under the Trump administration and SEC Chair Paul Atkins, we saw a complete reversal. Think about it. When the world's largest economy stops fighting Bitcoin and starts regulating it like a strategic asset, what happens? It signals to BlackRock, Fidelity, and more importantly, foreign nation-states that it is safe to buy. Startups that fled the U.S. are now coming back because of this shift. This isn't just about laws, it's about the U.S. wanting to win the crypto race. And when the U.S. wants to win, prices go parabolic. It's not just America. Europe has fully enforced the Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, or MiCA. Many people thought regulation would crush the price, but look what actually happened. MiCA didn't ban crypto, it created a rulebook. Why is this bullish for a $1 million target? Because traditional banks love rulebooks. They need rulebooks. Now that MiCA is live, European banks can legally offer Bitcoin services to 450 million wealthy citizens. We are talking about bringing the old money into new money. This is the structural foundation required to support a seven-figure Bitcoin price. Now let's look ahead to 2026. The narrative is shifting to taxation. I know nobody likes paying taxes, but in the eyes of a global investor, fair taxation equals legitimacy. Japan is currently discussing a 20% flat tax on crypto gains, treating it similarly to stocks. Hong Kong is working on reporting standards. This is huge. If governments are setting up long-term tax structures for 2026, it means they are admitting one thing: Bitcoin is not going to zero. They are preparing for a future where crypto generates massive wealth, and they want a piece of it. This official recognition removes the fear of a total ban, allowing conservative investors to finally allocate 1 or 2% of their portfolio to Bitcoin. And 1% of global wealth pushes Bitcoin way past $1 million. Finally, regulation paves the way for the next massive trend of 2026: super apps. Legal experts predict we will see apps that combine prediction markets, trading, and real-world assets all in one place. Imagine an app where an AI agent manages your portfolio, trades on prediction markets like Polymarket, and pays for your coffee, all powered by crypto rails. This is only possible because the laws are now being written to allow it. When Bitcoin becomes the base layer for these super apps, the demand for the network explodes. We are moving from speculation to utility, and utility is what keeps the price at $1 million permanently. So, here is the verdict. The laws passed in 2025 and coming in 2026 are not hurdles. They are the launch pad. The US is protecting it. Europe is standardizing it. Asia is taxing and legitimizing it. The infrastructure for a $1 million Bitcoin is being built right in front of our eyes by the very governments that used to hate it. Are you positioning yourself before the institutions finish their accumulation? Let me know in the comments, do you think regulation will trigger the final bull run? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Crypto Market Views 24. The future is regulated and it is incredibly bullish.